Action!
Alright, zoom out.
Zoom.
Okay.
Action!
Today we're working on
Teriyaki 12.0 from the Gaijin Cookbook. So we have shoyu, sake, mirin, oyster sauce, and sugar. Okay, so to make the sauce, we're basically just going to add all of our ingredients into a bowl and then whisk it until everything's combined and the sugar is dissolved. So at this point, we'll have a cup of teriyaki sauce. I don't think
Stop telling people the ingredients, man.
Oh,
they can buy their book.
At this point, we'll have a bunch of teriyaki sauce, and then we can save whatever we don't use to make something on another
Trying to
night.
fatten Ivan's pockets here, Megan.
Tonight we're using it for fish. In the recipe book, there's suggestions for a few different ways you can use it with different proteins, but today we're going with fish. Okay, whisk, whisk, whisk. Look at that. Whisk, whisk.
Ta-da!
Ta-da.
With a non-stick skillet, a little bit of oil, heat up pan. We're gonna put our salmon down.
I'm chiming in here.
Go, chime in.
So he says to brown both sides, and then we're gonna add the sauce and cook until it's reduced to a syrupy consistency. The only thing we're not too sure about is if we're supposed to add all the sauce, because it doesn't say how much. So I don't know how we know how much to add. Obviously we have to add more because it's gonna get reduced, but I don't know how much. Okay. Gonna flip it now. See? And because the pieces of fish that we have are so thick, Royce was saying he might actually brown all four sides instead of just the top and the bottom. Okay. Yeah, do that carrot, huh? Oh. Okay, so we're gonna add the sauce now, and we're just gonna eyeball it and see what makes sense. And now, so while it's reducing, which he says is gonna be about 3 to 4 minutes, we're also supposed to like turn the fish to coat it, I think.
And the timer's on here, roughly. Like it's like 3 minutes. We're just looking for consistency. It's almost there.
Yeah, that's syrupy.
Hmm?
Yeah, syrupy. It's syrupy.
Syrupy.
So we've been going for a little over 3 minutes now, and we think this is a pretty good consistency. It's pretty syrupy. So I guess whenever we're happy we can stop. And then we're going to serve this on rice.
Oops. What do you mean walling about?
Someone didn't make a mistake. I know, right, you guys?
Yeah.
Okay, and try it now. It's pretty tasty. And I like that the recipe, which I will not repeat, is really easy to remember too.
Equal portions of stuff mixed together, and then that's it. Cool.
Okay, I hope this is a good recipe because it's pretty easy and good, easy to remember, which is good. We have a 1/4 cup shoyu, we have a 1/4 cup sake, we have a 1/4 cup mirin, a 1/4 cup oyster sauce, and a tablespoon of sugar. Sure.
Get that baby away from me. He just moved the tripod, by the way.
Okay.
Back. Sure.
Okay, so like you said, we're following the instructions for fish. So it's asking to use a non-stick or well-seasoned thing.
Seasoned thing.
Seasoned skillet. We've got a non-stick pan here. We have it on medium heat.